How to change playlist name on MX Player app. Hello guys. So all what you have to do is simple. Go to MX Player. This is the home page. Go to the top corner, click on those three lines and click on video playlists. So this is my playlist and I want to change the name of it. All what you have to do is simple. Click on those three dots and click rename right here. As you can see, now you can change the name easily and click OK. As you can see, if this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later.